Hello everyone, myself Rakhi Miti, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, JDB Girls College, कोटा। आज हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है कॉलम क्रोमेटोग्राफी, जो मैंने लास्ट आपको कवर करवा दिया था। उसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे आज गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी। Gas chromatography means GC is probably the most utilized of all chromatographic technique since its theory was developed and amino acids were separated in the early 1950s. Literally, thousands of the applications have been reported in organic journals and biochemistry. It has been applied to a wide variety of theoretical and practical problems in the separation and identification of components of the atmospheres, gases, liquid, drugs, and commercial products. The primary limitation is that the sample must be capable of being volat- uh, volatilized without undergoing decomposition. Because of the limitations, it is now being replaced to a larger extent by high performance liquid chromatography HPLC. In the gas liquid chromatography GLC, the mobile phase is a gas and the stationary phase is a thin layer of the non volatile liquid bound to a solid support. GCS utilized a solid absorbent as a stationary phase and the absorption process taken place. Gas chromatography is quite similar to column chromatography, except that a gas is used as the mobile phase instead of a liquid. Gas solid chromatography is based on the selective adsorptions on a solid, whereas gas liquid chromatography is based upon the partition between the gas and an immobile liquid phase. Gas solid chromatography was developed by the G.T. Kohler, K. Thiel in the 1943, followed by E. Kramer, T. Janak, S. W. Patton, J. S. Lewis, and W. L. Kale. C. G. S. Phillips contributed to the frontal analysis, where Suchiftan, N. C. Turner, S. Glazer, and N. M. Trukal gave displacement development of the elution techniques. The gas liquid chromatography is more popular than gas solid chromatography and has many more applications. Gas liquid chromatography was originated by the AGP Martin in 1915 together by A.T. James. It is noteworthy that Martin had theoretically predicted the feasibility of GLC about a decade earlier while presenting his work on the liquid chromatography. Martin has since were awarded by the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for their work on the development of the पार्टीशन क्रोमेटोग्राफी पार्टीशन क्रोमेटोग्राफी पे जो भी उन्होंने वर्क किया था उसके लिए उन्हें नोबेल प्राइज़ भी मिला था। जो मेन एडवांटेज हैं गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी की वो क्या क्या है? द टेक्निक हैज़ स्ट्रॉन्ग सेपरेशन पावर एंड इवन कॉम्प्लेक्स मिक्सचर कैन बी रिजॉल्व इनटू टू constituents. The sensitivity of this method is quite high. It is a micro method and only a few mg of sample is sufficient for analysis. It gives good precision and accuracy. The analysis is completed in short time. The cost of instrument is relatively low. इसकी जो the gas chromatograph and the related calculation do not require high skilled persons. Gas chromatography is present and one of the most widely used powerful tool available separations. The major factors for this are speed, resolving power, extreme sensitivity techniques, etc. For example, using the technique, it is possible to separate the 10 isomers of heptanes in less than 10 seconds. 10 seconds से भी कम में आप 10 जो आपका हेप्टेन है उसके 10 isomers को separate कर सकते हैं. Detections are available with detection limits as low as 10 to the power minus 12 to 10 to the power minus 14 ग्राम्स. अब ये किस प्रिंसिपल पे वर्क करता है उसके बारे में हम देखते हैं. कोई भी इस क्रोमेटोग्राफी जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं तो उसका जनरल इंट्रोडक्शन है, प्रिंसिपल है, एपेटस है, यूजेस है, यही आपके मेन जो होते हैं टॉपिक्स होते हैं. When a gas or vapor come in contact with an adsorbent, certain amount of its gas absorbed on solid surface. The phenomena take place according to the well-known law of Freundlich, MkCl or Langmuir x upon m k c plus k2 e, where x is the mass of the gas and the k1 k2 k k1 k2 are constant. Similarly, the vapor or gas come in contact with a liquid. A fixed amount of its gas is dissolved in liquid. The phenomena take place according to the Henry law of partitions, x upon m is equal to kc. Now, both the phenomena are selective and they are different. K values for different vapor, absorbent, PS. तो जो इसका प्रिंसिपल है उसको हम एक एक्सपेरिमेंट के थ्रू आपको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। तो एक्सपेरिमेंट देखिए क्या है। A gas that is flowing smoothly at the rate of the 3 flow per minute down an empty tube that is 6 feet long takes 6 by 3 is equal to 2 minutes to flow. The rate at which the gas flows in the sand-filled tube is 2 feet per minute. It will take the gas 6 by 2 is equal to 3 minutes to traverse the tube. The sand-filled tube in the example has some properties of a gas chromatographic column. The gas is moving of the mobile phase. The sand is the stationary phase. The gas that emerged after it passed through the column is called effluent. The particle, the mobile phase, should be relatively insoluble in the stationary phase, otherwise the stationary phase become overloaded. To further our analogy, consider the following property of soluble gas in a vessel containing a non-volatile liquid A. We place suitable soluble gas B. तो जो A है उसके अंदर आपने एक को एम्प्टी रखा और एक में आपने कोई भी soluble गैस जो है वो आपने भर दिया। A shorter time after the vessel has been sealed, the gas B in the gas phase comes to equilibrium, the gas dissolved in the liquid phase, and the distribution of gas between the two phases remains constant. Although the total number of gas molecules above the liquid and in the liquid stays the same, a rapid interchange takes place between the molecule in the two states, that is, molecules from the gas pass into the liquid at the same rate that dissolved gas molecules leaves the liquid and become gases. The molecules are said to be dynamic equilibrium. This is the constant. The temperature is kept constant. Each can be shown on the average. Each molecule of B spends a constant fraction of the time in the liquid phase and the remainder of the time in the gas phase. For the purpose of our discussion, we hypothesize the gas B spend 40% of its time in a liquid A and 60% of time of a gas. Although equilibrium will be established more quickly if the thickness of the liquid is small, otherwise dissolved molecules B wanders from the ट्यूब शोन इन द फिगर जो आपको 14.2 में दिखाया गया है। कोट इट विथ ए थिन फिल्म ऑफ लिक्विड ए एंड रिप्लेस द कोटेड सैंड इन ट्यूब। लिक्विड ए इज नाउ नोन एज स्टेशनरी फेज और सबस्ट्रैक्ट एंड गैस बी इज नॉन एज कैरियर गैस। सैंड जो होती है वो सपोर्ट के लिए यूज़ करते हैं। अगेन वी allow gas B to flow down the packed value. We noted earlier that it took 3 minutes for gas B to flow through the tube filled with uncoated and sand. Moreover, we have hypothesized that when we gas in the equilibrium with liquid A, it spends 40% of its time in liquid. Therefore, for 40% of the time gas B is spent in the tube, it does not travel down the tube. During the remaining 60% of the time, during the time in which the gases state में होता है, gas B move down to the tube at the normal flow rate of 2 feet per minute. On the average, the gas flows 60 upon 100 into 2 is equal to 1.2 feet per minute. The time taken to pass through the column at this rate is equal to 5 minutes. Alternatively, we can say that if the gas B were flowing all the time, it would take 3 minutes to flow through the tube. Therefore, it must spend 3 minutes flowing to reach end of the tube, but it spends only 60% of its time in the gas phase, and the 3 minutes is the 60% of the total time in the column. Therefore, the total time of the tube is 3 into 100 upon 60 is equal to 5 minutes. तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कॉफिशिएंट जो आप इसका निकालेंगे वो होगा आपका concentration in the liquid upon concentration in the gas, and this is reflected directly in the time it taken for the gas to elute from chromatographic column. Based on the relationship, we can state that the time spent in the gas phase or mobile phase is the same as the time it takes for the carrier gas to pass through the column. Each means that is T0, T alpha, या T0. The time spent in the solvent phase or stationary phase is extra time it takes for sample to pass through the column. It is T2 minus T0, where TR is the total time to sample to pass through the column on the retention time. We can therefore present K in the terms of the chromatographic experiment. K is equal to Tr minus T0 upon T0 and Tr upon T0 minus 1. If we substitute a second gas C for gas B, it is found that gas C spends only 20% of its time in liquid A and 80% of its time as a gas. when C is permitted or to flow through the tube packed with quartet sand, and it moves the rate 2 feet per minute for 80% of the time and is the best for 20% of the time. The average flow rate should be 2 into 80 upon 100, 1.6 feet per meter. The total time needed for the gas to flow through the tube is 6 upon 1.6 is equal to 3.75 per minute. If we were pass a mixture of gases B and C down the tube, gases C would emerge after 3.75 minutes and gases B after 5 minutes. Passage of mixture of two gases down the tube result in the separation of the mixture. Inert gas such as helium flow through chromatography columns such as constant velocity, that is such gases do not interact with, thus spend no time in the stationary phases. For this reason inert gas are often used, carrier gas की तरह इसको यूज़ किया जाता है. In practice the carrier gas flow steadily through the column. The sample injected as the carrier gas and is swept on the chromatographic column. The sample then sharps its time between the stationary phase and moving carrier gases. We have seen that liquid subtract. The process can be used to separate gas from each other. By using solid substrates, we can separate liquid from each other. Different species of molecules spend different periods of time in the stationary phase or different percentage of the time in the mobile phase. The variation in time spent in the moving phase in turn affects the length of the time gas takes to pass through the emerge from the chromatographic illusions. A record of emergence of various compounds plotted against this is called chromatogram. The process of separation is the basis of all form of chromatography. The factors that affect the time distribution between the mobile phase and the stationary phase differ from one branch of the chromatography to another. The most important branch is gas liquid chromatography when we will discuss later. The next time most important branch are gas solid liquid 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 solid chromatography, where the first phase is the mobile phase and second is the stationary phase. In the following, we consider some properties of substance involved in the chromatography as well as some hypothetical data. In the example described previously, a compound B distributed itself between the liquid phase in the gas phase in the ratio of 40% and 60%. If we added a डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन जो होगा वो किस तरीके से दिया जाएगा आपका के बी इज इक्वल टू कंसनट्रेशन ऑफ बी इन द लिक्विड स्टेशनरी फेज में कितना है और गैस फेज में कितना है. इन दिस केस के इज़ अ पार्टीशन कोफिशिएंट फ्रिक्वेंटली इज एक्सप्रेस इन टर्म्स ऑफ मोल पर लीटर. तो के बी इज इक्वल टू मोल इंटू इन स्टेशनरी फेज अपॉन मोल इन मोबाइल फेज, वेयर वी एम and Vs are the volume of mobile gas and stationary liquid phase respectively. Kb is the solute partition ratio. Suppose that we have a second gas which spends 80% of its time in the gas phase and 20% in the liquid phase. The partition coefficient for gas case is equal to mole upon C in stationary phase upon mole upon C in mobile phase, 20 upon 80. When the partition coefficients are widely different, we can accept separations. On the other hand, if the partition coefficients are similar, it is less likely that separation will be achieved. The separation factor or selectivity factor can be given by alpha is equal to Kb upon Kc or Kb upon Kc. Unfortunately, factors are only a guide to the actual ability of a column to separate the components. Other factors influence the final result. For example, दो गैसेज यदि मान लीजिए डायनेमिक इक्विलिब्रियम में है मोबाइल और लिक्विड फेज में, इफ द मोबाइल फेज इज फॉलोइंग कंटिन्यूसली देन दिस डायनेमिक इक्विलिब्रियम इज अप्रोच्ड एट ऑल टाइम बट नेवर क्वाइट अचीव्ड. दिस रिजल्ट इन द स्प्रेडिंग ऑफ द कंपाउंड बी एंड सी along the column. Sometimes the result in the lack of separation even through the selectivity factor indicate the two components should be separable. Here the capacity fraction is denoted in terms of the retention time of the flow rate. Gas liquid chromatography consists of a mobile gas stationary liquid phase that is based on either solid matrix or on the wall of capillary tube. Typically, the ordinary phase has a sufficient low vapor pressure on the column temperature that it can be considered as non-volatile. The sample mixture in the gaseous form is run through the column with a carrier. Separation can be achieved by the difference in the distribution ratio of the component between the mobile and stationary phase, causing them to move through the different rate with different attention time. After elutions, the